Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to be talking about words that have a vowel consonant, end in a vowel consonant, as we see right here. Words that end in a vowel consonant consonant. And we're going to be talking about our inflected ending this week. I'm going to write that word right over here, inflected ending. That's just a big fancy word for saying that we're putting an ending onto our base word, and our inflected ending this week is going to be ing. Something very common that you see a lot, but there is a pattern this week. Sometimes the ending of the base word has to double the consonant, and sometimes nothing happens to it at all when we add the ending onto our base word. So we're going to be looking at that pattern this week. I'm going to go through and read our words. We have the word get, asking, swimming, sit, stand, sitting, jump, shutting. We have getting, swim, rest, yelling, running, pick, shut, passing. In our last column, we have ask, yell, run, resting, pass, standing, picking, and jumping. You're probably thinking that these words are pretty simple to spell, and yes, they are, but we really want to concentrate on what happens to the end of the base word when we add ing. Now, you might be asking, what is a base word? This might be something that you remember hearing, but you're not quite sure or don't remember what it means. A base word is like the word get. That's the word without adding anything to the front of it, anything to the back of it, no endings, nothing. So what you're going to see this week is you're going to see base words, and they're going to be kind of matched up with their inflected ending word. Like in the word getting, when we switch get to getting. So you'll see here you have your base word, get, and then we're looking at what happens when you have to add ing onto the base word. So thinking about our word get, if we were to organize this into either vowel consonant or vowel consonant consonant, get would go under vowel consonant because we have our vowel in one consonant here. A base word that would end in vowel consonant consonant would be ask. We have a vowel and then we have two consonants. There is a pattern here. Any of the words that end in just a vowel consonant, when you add ing, you have to double that last consonant. That's where double comes from. We're putting two T's instead of one when you're adding ing. Getting. Any of the words that end in two consonants just get an ing added on to the end. You don't have to double anything. So there is a pattern here. Let's go in and test it though and make sure that we're correct. I'm looking at the word sit in column 1. Now I'm noticing it's a vowel consonant. So I'm thinking to myself, Mrs. Gershon said, anytime it ends in just a vowel consonant, I should have to double that last letter. I should have to make it TTING when adding the inflected ending. Let's go and take a look. Here it is. It works. I have to add the double T, ING, because it was a vowel consonant. Let's try it with one more. We have the word, let's see here. I'm going into column 2, swim. Here's our word swim. It ends in vowel consonant. So because it's a vowel consonant, I should have to double that M in order to add ing. Let's find swimming. Right here. It works. The pattern works. So any word that has a vowel consonant and you're adding ing, you need to double that last consonant. You'll also probably notice this week that most of our words have short vowel sounds in them because they have the simple vowel consonant or vowel consonant consonant. Also, all of our words here are verbs. They're all action words. So that was just something else that I wanted you to notice here. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. Remember, there is a pattern. Remember what that pattern is. If you need to go back and watch the video a little bit as you are sorting, please feel free or raise your hand. All right, it's time to grab your scissors. Happy sorting.